If you've ever spent an evening outside, waiting for the sun to dip below the horizon, you know that feeling, that shift in the air that makes you want nothing more than a warm glow. But getting that glow used to be a mess. You were dealing with huge amounts of smoke, scattered embers, and constant cleanup. It felt complicated, and honestly, it often ruined the mood you were trying to create. I've been testing this portable fire pit for the last few weeks, and I have to say, it changed the way I approach outdoor evenings entirely. It's a genuinely thoughtful piece of engineering. I want to be upfront with you. I'm not a sponsor for this review. I purchased this Solo Stove Ranger myself, purely based on curiosity about its claims. And after seeing it in action, I can tell you why I'm genuinely impressed. When I was first using my old setup, the sheer amount of particulate matter hanging in the air was almost suffocating. My patio furniture, the decking, everything got coated in a layer of soot that was impossible to wipe off. The smoke wasn't just annoying. It was physically noticeable, stinging your eyes and making the whole experience feel less relaxing and more like a chore. I was looking for something that provided the heat and the ambience without the constant struggle with smoke and mess. What really struck me about the Ranger is how efficiently it burns. It's not just about burning wood, it's about the process. The double wall design maximizes airflow, drawing oxygen up from the bottom vents and warming the entire structure. This intense airflow means that instead of just burning the wood, it completes the burn cycle, meaning less smoke and more heat output. Another feature I appreciate is the ability to use the included stand accessory. This elevates the pit, allowing me to place it on surfaces that wouldn't withstand the direct heat, like my hardwood deck. And the fact that it's a single, compact unit makes it incredibly portable. I can take it from the backyard to the campsite without needing multiple pieces or complicated assembly. It's a huge step up from the bulkier, older models, which often cost over $300. At $99.44, this unit provides comparable performance and durability, making it a much more sensible investment for the average homeowner. If I had to point out one minor critique, it's that the stainless steel, while durable, does show minor fingerprints if you touch it too often. Picture this. It's a crisp autumn evening. The air is cool, the leaves are crunchy underfoot, and you've settled back into your favorite Adirondack chair. The only sound is the steady, clean crackle of the wood, and the warmth radiating out from the Ranger is comforting. You're wrapped in a throw blanket, sipping something warm, completely relaxed, with nobody coughing because of smoke. It's just pure, clean outdoor living. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.